Four super heavy man-made chemical elements that were added to periodic table by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry still need the Board of Education's approval to be included in syllabus for students.
The addition of these elements orally we will give information for the students in the class. Right now these elements are not included in the curriculum, so we are not going to teach about those new elements for the students.
Rhymes like Beta Mange Car Scooter Baap Rone Se Razi, Purane Aam Kam Bikenge had made life easier for chemistry students, but with new additions, such mnemonics will be altered.
It's adding to more difficulties, but it's benefiting us because we can find many new products.
Yeah, chemical engineers may find it useful and put in a lot of new stuff using it. Or maybe our friends who want to pursue chemical engineering see it as a new way to maybe introduce more chemicals and make more man-made chemicals and earn a name in the field.
In the CBSE syllabus, students are introduced to the periodic table in class 7th but learn it only 2 years later. Older research students, however, are not very worried.
Actually, these are the very unstable molecules. If you go down to the lower to the periodic table, they are very unstable, so you cannot have in the universe. You can have those materials, but those are very unstable. Up to few nanosecond or microsecond, that will be stable. If you can able to increase the lifetime of those compounds, and you can study the properties of them.
Ryoji Noyori, Nobel laureate in chemistry, told The Guardian that to scientists this is of greater value than an Olympic gold medal. The elements were created by smashing lighter nuclei into each other and then, according to The Independent, analyzing the radioactive decay which existed for a tiny fraction of a second afterwards. Professors say that the periodic table is central for chemistry, like DNA is for biology and atom is for physics.
It is this. Two more will have this, and the third one cannot be put here.
Okay.
The purpose of adding these new elements is our quest to understand. A curiosity. The new element comes, we don't know its property. There are some things we could predict. Knowledge would increase. As I told you, anytime we understand something, I don't think it will be bad.
The new elements added created curiosity for scientists and more work for students. But students need not worry till Board of Education includes these changes in the course. This is Bhumika Khatri for CityCast.